What's going on, guys? Nick here at Exotic Motorsports in Oklahoma, and today we have a 2024 Corvette Stingray 2LT convertible and just under 2,000 miles on this. The MSRP was $96,265. I'm going to have the window sticker on the website, but you can get a view here. It's $12,000 in options, GT2 bucket seats, front lift. And in this video, I'm going to do a visual condition report. Now, I've walked around this entire car inches away looking for any scuffs, scratches, chips, you name it. And the only thing on this entire car I found was this lower splitter. It does have some rash on it. So walking around, you're going to see a little bit of rash. You can see it got it right there. And on the edge here, I don't see a single rock chip. And I'm getting inches away, looking at every little detail. I don't see any scuffs, scratches, zero curb rash. Everything else inside and out on this car is absolutely perfect. So you put a brand new splitter on this and it's essentially a brand new car. This is a heavily optioned 2LT. This car looks amazing. And like I said, this side is absolutely perfect. Inches away, looking at all the little details, looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, anything like that, and I did not find any. Then checking out the interior, it is a non-smoker and looks brand new. I don't see any flaws on this door panel. All of that looks perfect. Carpets look amazing. I don't see any scuffs on the bolsters or the seat itself. You got the nice carbon inserts here. Steering wheel looks amazing. All of this looks really good. And then looking at this side, looks absolutely perfect as well. I don't see any flaws anywhere. The door panel looks perfect.